Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO Reno 8 5G smartphone. So quickly unbox it up. Okay, slowly opening. Okay, so if we open the box, so you can see we get this black box. Let's see what we get inside it. So here you can see here we get this injector pin, and here some reading manuals and warranty card, and this is the transparent back case. Okay, keep all this thing aside. And you can see guys, here's the font itself. You can see here's the font itself. You can see dual Sony flagship sensors, ultra night video, 80 watt super VOOC, and MediaTek Dimensity 1300 processor. Yes, it has 6 nm octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1300 processor. It is a ultra vision engine, I would like to say. So okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here guys, here we get the 80-watt fast charger in the box. You can see it is aside, and here we get the USB type C to type A cable. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this thing aside and come to the phone. So you can see here's the phone itself. So now quickly remove its plastic cover. So guys, you can see here's the phone itself in my hand in gold color. It has shimmer gold color, and if we talk about the weight, it is 179 grams, and if we talk about the thickness, it is only 7.6 mm. You can see, and yep, it has 4500 milliamp hour battery, and OPPO says battery that holds for 4+ years. Yes, and it has a 5-layer charging protection for better battery life. So you can see, okay, if we talk about its physical overview, you can see here we get the 6.4 inches full HD plus 90 Hz AMOLED display, and over there on pop-up here you can see here we get the 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 f2.4 aperture front camera over there, and here we get the power on off key, and here we get the volume up and down key, and on top here you can see we get the secondary microphone, and here we get the main grilled speakers, USB type C port. Here's the main microphone, and guys, this is the SIM tray. So quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So here we get the dual nano SIM. Yep, here we get the dual nano SIM, no micro SD card, only dual nano SIM. And here if we talk about the back, so here you can see it has triple rear camera, 50 megapixel Sony IMX 766 dual Sony flagship sensors. Yes, it has ultra clear in any light, and here you can see it has 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and here's the 2 megapixel macro camera, dual LED flash. As you can see guys, if we talk about the design, you can see the streamlined uni body design. You can see, yep, it's look really good. You can see the seamless, you can see the seamless curves. You can see yes, timeless design. You can see phone looks really premium in hand. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Dimensity 1300 6nm octa-core processor. It has 6.4 inches full HD plus 90 Hz AMOLED display with 800 nits peak brightness, and it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It has dual nano SIM support, and it has 128 8GB internal storage, which supports UFS 2 3.1 speed. Yes, it has UFS 3.1 speed. It has triple rear camera, 50 megapixel Sony IMX 766 f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel with a macro camera. It has 32 megapixel Sony IMX 709 f2.4 aperture front camera, and guys, it has 4500 milliamp hour battery which supports 80 watt fast charging, and OPPO says that it charges phone 1 to 50% in just 11 minutes, and 1 to 100% in just 28 minutes, and it also support reverse charging. And if we talk about the Android version, it is running on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12.1. And guys, it has in-display fingerprint and face unlock for a better security. So guys, you can see I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OPPO Reno 8 5G smartphone. Guys, it has 90 Hz. Yes, it has 90 Hz Full HD plus 6.4 inches AMOLED display, you can see. And guys, you can see it has a Netflix and Prime Video HD certification, and it has SGSI Care display, you can see. If we talk about the display, you can see it has eye care display. You can say it perfect view, eye friendly display. Refresh rate, high refresh rate. So quickly check this out. So as you can see guys, if I say here, you can see the performance is really good. You can see it has ultra smooth performance. You can see you get the 90 Hz high refresh rate, you can see, and it has really good performance. You can see, no doubt. Yeah, you can see it has really good performance. So if we go now, if we go in settings, and here if we go in about device, you can see it is up to date official versions, device name, storage, you can see 22.6 GB available out of 128 GB. And guys, if we talk about the processor, it has Dimensity 1300 octa-core processor. It has ultra vision engine. Yep, it has ultra vision engine. Nothing lags, being stoppable, because this is the Dimensity 1300 processor with 6 nm fabrication and octa-core process. And here you can see the ColorOS version and model. And yep, one more good thing, you can see you can expand the RAM up to 5 GB. It has a RAM expansion technology for more multitasking. You can see it has a RAM expansion technology. You can do multitasking as much you want. And here if we go in Android versions, you can see it is running on Android version 12 latest version, and Android security update is of 5 June 2022. So you can see running on latest Android 12. Okay, so now, so guys, as you can see, if we talk about, if we talk about its smoothness, you can see it has ultra smooth performance. You can see, yeah, yep, guys, it has ultra smooth performance. Okay, now if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with OPPO Reno 8 5G smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. Okay, after it, if we talk about the phone, if we more talk about it has 1000 Hz ultra touch response. Yep, it has super conductive light cooling system, which keep your device cool in any condition, in high multitasking, in high gaming, in everything. It will keep it cool. And it has, as I said, it has 5-layer charging protection. And Oppo has ultra vision engine installed in this phone, and it has fingerprint resistant. Yep, guys, it has fingerprint resistant. As you can see, no fingerprint on back. You can see it has fingerprint resistance design, as you can see. And guys, if you talk about the camera, it has new generation RGBW sensor, which gives you 60% more light and 35% less noise reduction. And guys, it has 80 watts super fast charging, as I said, which will charge 50% phone in just 11 minutes, and 5 minutes charge will give you 2 hours of gaming. So as you can see guys, phone looking really good. Okay, so after it, if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, so the security is really important. So check this out. So here I put the finger and you can see it unlock the phone. I put and it unlock the phone. Just tap the phone and you can see fingerprint animation pops out. I put finger and you can see it quickly unlock the phone. Yep, guys, the fingerprint is really fast and responsive. You can see it is fast. You can see, and if you talk about its face unlock performance, I'm not seeing. I see, and it unlocked the phone. Try it 2 or 3 more times. Okay, I'm not seeing. I see, and it unlocked the phone. Okay, now phone look at me and unlock itself. So guys, both are really fast and responsive, as you can see. Look at the phone and it quickly lightning speed. Yep, this is the lightning speed I've seen, and you can see it unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO Reno 8 5G smartphone. Guys, if you have particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.